Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a full body massage chair seat. So basically what this product is right here is basically like a chair pad that has like the full body massage option on here, and you see it's from this brand right here. So obviously there's a lot of other ones available out there in the market today, and there's a few other different ones available from this brand in particular as well. But this is the one that we got right here, so I'm actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright. So when you guys first open the package, there's basically a box inside a box. So I'm actually open this box to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see this is what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So right here we have the product. So basically for this product here, you want to just set it up onto your chair, and it works for almost any kind of chair. And even if you guys want to set it up on like a sofa or a couch, you probably can as well. And then at the very bottom, they do provide us a little box right here. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so basically inside they provide you guys the cable you guys want to use to actually activate the product right here. But you see there's two different parts on here. So that way if you guys want to extend it pretty far, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys open up, this is basically what the product looks right here. So for the bottom part right here is basically the seat option right here. And you basically get the massage option in the bottom right here. And you also get it right here. And you also get it on the top part here as well. And basically right here, they do have a little flap option. So if you guys want to use that option right here, you definitely can. But if you guys don't want to, you can go like this. And this is what it actually looks like without the flap option, as you can see. And inside the package right here, if you can see, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And obviously there's a lot more stuff on here, so I'm actually put this down onto a chair and set it up right here first and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we have the product all set right here. If you can see, this is basically what the product looks right here. So basically when you guys set the product here, in the bottom right here they do have a cable option where you can plug in the cable that I showed you guys earlier. So you can see how we connect it right here, and we actually have a connector right here. So that's where the power is being generated to activate the power right here. And we see inside right here, there's actually a remote option. So we take it out. We do have the remote right here. And we see how far the cable can go. But I'll actually bring a little bit closer to show you guys what's on here. So this is basically actually looks like under remote control right here. So we have the vibration control right here. We have an auto mode. We have a neck option right here. We have an air back option, air seat option, and that is basically an air compression massage option. And you guys have a spot option right here, and that is actually just like where you guys want to massage it, if you guys want lower or higher. And then we have a full back option, an upper back option, and a lower back option as well. And you can also control the air intensity on here. And you also control the heat option if you guys want to get like a heat therapy option. And then right here we do have a power button. But it's definitely really cool how it has a little pocket right here for you guys to hold remote. So that way I just keep everything all organized. And like I mentioned, for the flap option right here, if you guys want to move it, you definitely can. Just go like this. And you can take it out just like that if you don't want to use that option. But honestly, I think it's better for you guys to have this option on here. So if you get any dirt or dust on here, at least it will go on here and not on the actual chair right here. And that's especially useful if you guys are sharing with other people. And then basically for the back part here, if you can see, they do have a strap. So they have two straps right here where you guys actually strap onto your chair to give you guys a much more secure fit when you guys set it up. So obviously if your chair is not high enough for both straps, you can just use one of them. So let's show you guys how to set it up. So just go like this. And just drop it in. And then obviously the other one we can't use it, but at least you still have good support on here to actually hold it in place. So that is basically how you guys set up that part right there. And we open up this part right here. You can definitely see that you guys get the neck massage option right here, the back massage option right here, and you guys get the seat option right here. And they also mentioned for this part right here, if you guys are too short, you guys can definitely put like a seat cushion right here to give you guys the extra height. So that way you guys actually feel the full effect on here and also the back option as well. But if you guys are tall enough, then you don't have to worry about that. But basically on this side right here and this side right here, and also with this part and this part right here, those are the air bag option or the air compression or air cushion option. So that way you get like an air massage, which is pretty cool. And obviously the side right here, they do have the brand logo as well. So before I actually test this out, let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to give you guys a close-up view of the product. Alright, so here is a close-up view of what the product looks like right here. If you can see, definitely looks pretty nice. And like I mentioned, I do have the cable plugged in right here. But definitely when you guys feel material on here, it feels super nice. Especially with this part as well, it's like a mesh material, so that way the product is like breathable. You don't have to worry about sweating a lot or whatever on here, which is pretty nice. And then this is basically what the bottom part looks like right here. So I wish for the bottom part right here had some kind of like non-slip material, because this one doesn't really have any like non-slip material on here. So when you guys actually set this product up, it might be able to move around if you can see. And supposedly for the actual product right here and also for the top part as well, they do have a zipper option. So as it open up, you definitely can. So this is basically what the product looks like from the front part right here without the flap option. Let me actually bring down the flap option and show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright, so this is what it actually looks like with the flap option down, if you can see. Definitely looks a lot nicer. It looks a lot more professional as well. And if you guys turn it to the back, this is basically actually looks like in the back part right here. So here are the two straps that I was talking about. And then here's the slot where you can put the remote on here, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up. Let me actually activate it and show you guys how it works. And then we'll test it out as well. Alright, so let me actually turn it on. So I'm going to turn on the actual product first. Alright, so you guys can't really see it from this angle right here. But I actually open this part up. So you see right there, that is basically the actual massage part right there. So right now we're using the full back option right here. If you guys want to turn on the auto mode, this is basically the auto mode. You can see the air compression option on here. Let me turn on everything else. So here is the neck option. Here's the air sleep option. Here is air back option. And then here's a full back option right here. And it definitely increase the air intensity as well. So this is on max. So once you guys fully activate everything, this is basically actually looks like right here. And if you guys want to turn on the heat option, we have the heat option on. But this is basically actually looks like when you guys activate everything on here. If you guys want to turn it off, if you can see how all the air compression option right here deflates by itself once you guys turn it off. So that is basically everything that's on right here. Let me actually test it out and see how it feels. Alright, so let's turn it on. I'll turn on everything on here just like how I just showed you guys. Alright, so as we're using it right now, it definitely feels really nice. Especially the Shiatsu option on here, it definitely gives you guys a really strong kneeling option on here that feels super nice. And having that like air bag or air compression option on here feels really nice as well. It definitely feels like someone's squeezing you when you guys feel like the air cushion option on here. But I definitely love the kneeling option a lot. It feels super nice. So I can totally see how this is actually really helpful and really useful, especially when you guys just came home from a long day of work. Let me turn on the heat option as well. So it doesn't take that long for you guys to feel the heat option. Like once I turn it on, I started feeling it within like 30 seconds or so, or even less than that. And as you guys are using it more and more, you can definitely feel the heat option start to get even hotter, which is pretty nice if you guys want to get like that heat therapy when you guys are getting massage on this chair as well. And also the cool thing about the bar right here is the fact that after 15 minutes, it turns off by itself. And that's like a really cool safety feature, so that way the product doesn't overheat. And that way you guys won't like overuse it as well. But definitely the overall product definitely feels pretty nice. You basically get everything on here in terms of vibration, the massage option, the air compression option, and the kneeling option on here. And also the heating option as well, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one of the need warranties. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are stressed out, or if you guys work out a lot, or if you guys just came home from a long day of work, definitely getting one of these is actually really helpful, so that way it actually help you guys relieve any kind of stress or any kind of pain, which is pretty cool. But then obviously if you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.